One of the things you're gonna have to understand is that no matter what road you take in life, there are always going to be things you have to do that you just don't want to fucking do. It's 50% love, 50% work. Don't let it distract you or depress you in such a way that you can't fulfill the love obligation that you have within you. Just see it for what it is. It's the nighttime that allows you to appreciate the day. It's the winter time that allows you to enjoy the summer.